Music and alone.
Yeah, man, so I got a phone there, my brother.
Get round.
This happen for Joe.
There.
I do it
Welcome back to another video, guys. So,
Someone see him as him break the corner.
outside, I reach out to my brother Godfrey Osborne. You know,
Yeah, man, I'm there close by.
him losing phone during the hurricane beryl. So I try to see how best we can support him, see if we can get him back a device, start recording videos again and get him back on his game, you know. So I'm out doing this, you know, first sponsor from JJ Adventures TV. So you don't know, go check in and watch you all go on. You see it, I give him a surprise visitor in place today too, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, man. Until then, don't know it. Go. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, you know. Leave your thoughts. Support the channel by clicking that subscription button and that post notification bell. Yeah, that is grateful enough. So until then, guys, stay tuned.
Yes, no. So out in a Godfrey community, so we are go step on the walk and I'll see if we can find him. Yeah, man, we'll see if we can find him. So I know that go. I look for an eagle in a haystack. But I have faith that I carry right now. So I don't know what go peeps. But they are on the search for Godfrey. Well. Peeps, so they here for a while. I look for him. You know, I get to him, I come the side. But well, get to somebody, talk to him, so I come the side here and still no sign of God. I'm there for a while, you know. But I'm not forward. See, him don't know say me there, him don't know, him don't have an idea about the phone, you know. But trust me, him a go surprise. Him probably cuss me out too. Say how a long time me not hear from we and through no phone and I wanna come my yard, but honestly, I don't know where him live. I don't know where him live. I have an idea, but I don't know. You know, but I'm here still. I wait for him. More than likely, I'm going to take a shortcut. Come down on the main. And I'm there at a point where I can see both sides. So if I come from the left or the right to where I'm at, I'm going to see him. Yeah man, peeps, so just get some intel. Gather in the pan him way I come to my location, so cause I hear so him blocks the men's out, you know, so I wait for him here, so but in the meantime while we're there I wait for Gather. Yes Holy there. Sun in my eyes, say sun. Yeah man, stay tuned, peace. No there, wait for God. But there's something I want to show you. Peeps. Yeah. Peeps, look on the view there. I just got there, you know, I just got there come down the road. So I don't know if you can see him. But see him across the road there now, right in front of the car. Right, that's across the road. Yeah man, so I'm there I hide him and I show him a wonderful view, you know. Yeah. Think out here so Albion Heights I look fun. Yeah. But I'm there. I got him, I got surprise him. I want to see him reaction. Yeah. Yeah man, see him there? See him there too? Oh God. I know you didn't expect that one, you know.
No, I look for a surprise still, man. I want to shock you.
Yeah, man.
I want a big army.
Yeah, man, a good one when I hear nothing from you, man. And hold on there, I chuck a pass here.
You know, yeah,
man, there's something I hear from you.
Hey. Great Adventure TV. I tell you people, we said this, hey, could have met artist. Could have met artist. So
yeah, man.
Honestly, man, they could have met honestly.
Yeah, man, so I come out to come give you a surprise, man.
Sure.
Yo, you know, long me see you from you come cross and I take your time and step and come up, you know.
I walk this to myself and hear me talk to myself, JJ. I wonder if I want to me I go and they know say me I go in a high speed. High speed me I go in and so me I talk to myself.
You see how when you cross the road I come down, man.
I go in a overdrive, still in a boy for going a overdrive, I go push.
Yeah, overheat.
Yeah, man.
When you see him reaction, you know.
Out there, always, man. I got from other people. You all know my people.
Yeah,
Blessed
man.
love and enough respect to JJ Adventure TV. Blessed, my brother. You see that? Hey,
This is a surprise.
The people, a big surprise. The people, and this man did rise me up when we did, you know. Yeah, when we off that, we first link up a Ray Town, my people. You remember the first vlog there? JJ Adventure TV. Yeah, man, true, man. And you see, just now I hear from God as for a little moment again, I say, oh, we have to go find it. You know? We have to go. Check in with people, enough love, enough respect, blessed love to everyone. I miss you all, my people. I know you miss God for the same. Remember, my people, give JJ Adventure the love and the support, give him the strength to grow, my people, and become a team just like I and I, my people. I is already a team, you know, my people, but strengthen him to become his own. You know, I never have word to say, because we never deal with boss or anything like that. But strengthen him, make him can become the man we expect to be, my people. Blessed love and respect for that.
Yeah,
Enough
man.
love and respect. My favorite and special subscribers, them. Hello. Alright. Blessed love.
Yeah, man. Yo.
Alright.
Hey, got that.
I went last BB, so maybe. Yeah, man, that's where it go on.
Oh,
Big
yeah,
up,
so
man. Big up
DD
to
soon see you,
everyone.
man.
Yeah, man. Big up
That
to
is a matter
everyone.
of time, bro.
That is it. That is it. That is
Yeah,
it.
man, peeps, and remember, you know, him phone get damaged in the hurricane beryl. You see it, so.
Seven people. I know disrespect
The
as
effort,
JJ.
the effort for it.
As JJ said that. My people, me not do nothing stupid. I say me inside and me I do a live. And my people, the water just blow in for me and I wet the phone. Same time I up on the live, me I say to my people, them say, my people, the water catch the phone, me I wipe it off. JJ done the live, you know what I mean, cut off. So, Bupa now did a talk to call two brethren, make two link up, you know what I mean. Boom, you know. Call wifey, because you know I final talk that you know for night where I say, when me check and start the battery I get low after my wifey done talk, so I say I go plug it in. I have no current in my people and my power bank, I plug it in and burn up the phone. So
The power bank.
The power bank.
Imagine if it could have power your house.
I say general, just believe what I tell you, my general, and no disrespect, but I never have the slightest idea say the charging pole, like water would have
Like water would have
catch
there nice.
Yeah, cause I phone in my case and everything and I wipe it off same way and you know, but blessed love my people, enough respect and JJ Adventure
man.
TV. How the J right?
J-A, eh?
How the J right?
I know,
You right
man.
the J, right the A. Hey! Alright. Big up my people.
Yeah.
Love, love.
Yeah, man. What the up a God free place, I know I go and kick back. You know? Yeah, man. Go and bust a reason a little bit before we touch down back on the flat. You know. Head back in the city. Yeah, man. Hey. One of them do nothing. I tell you, say. My boss say, the thing them, man. I say, my boss the box. When time we reach down, so. Good little while. We did that wait, you know?
Welcome back to Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
When Granny got down, I want to do one to come up.
I want donut come up or some KFC. Hey, talking this one, talking that. When time I look, you know? I want them come at town and carry in back all one little box of KFC or one 3-piece, you know? Everybody eat KFC, you know? I mean, man, right now, one 3-piece can't serve you alone, but when you're in time, man.
Everybody
Believe
have to
me,
get
man.
that, bro.
Everybody alright. I want to see 3-piece cut up, man. Everybody get piece of chicken and everybody get 2 fries in the hand nigga.
We can't get too rich, we used to walk it a chicken now. 2-piece, I'll go for you one. And 3-piece.
I tell you, man.
Alright.
Come like
The
a chicken.
chicken back. Cut up. I want the crab pepper, the salt. So, I will see if it's a fried chicken back.
Fuck, they have to help you eat it.
How are you do live there?
Yeah, right. Camera roll, man.
Because I have to have fried chicken back and I eat one. Nothing wrong when it goes to like alive. Every time I walk out that road, you're going to have to walk with 2 dogs.
Bring in water.
Otherwise, I have to just see one car them. See one car and
Shut up, everybody.
shower up everybody.
Oh, I said, we have to do until better come.
See you from my brother.
Mm-hmm.
I want to go. I know I'm glad to.
Hmm?
You wear shorts.
Shorts?
Mm-hmm,
So
short pants.
Mosquito didn't deal with me.
Yeah, man, cause me tired of them. Yeah, man, rough man and start.
No!
Just only go on your
Sun flying. I see.
Alright.
Regular memory card, man, like
Yeah,
phone
man,
one.
man, I'm gonna try it.
Like phone memory card, man.
So my one going there.
Holy shell. Right in a flow.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to take out my memory card, you know, you can't.
A joke here, me.
Yes.
Yeah. Eh?
Can't put in this memory card, you know.
Hey, so we not get no chicken.
No, but I don't feel back and no more ride over.
Yo.
People,
Alright, hold on then. Suppose me put in the memory card, you not get none.
Yeah, man. I change the bet. People, I change the bet. Without could have bet.
I gotta change the bet fast, you know, cause if I put the memory card in the camera, him can't get the chicken back and I don't know to eat, you know. But if me not put it in the camera, then me not get none. So, let me see. I didn't change the bet fast.
Yeah, how two people. You can't go up to a bet there. Come there, you're right. I don't know what to do again. Try what we could have tried.
Yeah.
Yes, my people. God bless you. And I'll show you out.
Alright, so. Alright, so I got a memory card there, you know. Hold on there, push it overnight and it's stuck.
No. How you do? Me try put it
You know,
in.
no chicken back and donut in.
Me try put it in and me not get it. How you get it out?
Just press it on, man, push it on night and press it on you.
Oh my God.
I want to press it
Take
again.
it out and put it in.
When
Man.
I press
No,
it again,
people,
you
not
see
no fear. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you just push it on night, man,
Check
and press
over
it.
the yard to eat off the whole of the little fried chicken back and bread.
Alright, watch out, here.
Mm.
I want to press it again.
Let me tell you what I'm going.
Every time you push down, you see it
Watch
push
out
up.
now. Watch out now. Yes. I'm going to hold it and push up back down here. People, it's something never reach. God for fool, that's it.
And you're trying to make your fingernail slip off and you don't have to push down because it's fly out, you know. Yeah,
The
man.
people go for work now. Yeah, see the people.
Trouble. I mean, man.
You ready?
Yeah, once you press it up, you're ready, man.
Which one I tap? This?
Yeah, man, you start recording now.
So how me stop it?
Press it again.
I bet I
But
can't make me
it
record
again
now.
and some clip. You see
Can't
it?
make me record then dust. Then look at it now. Spoil up my recording. Alright. So hold on, where this fire so? I that me just record. So I can't go in there, we can't delete it. How me delete?
Yeah. On top man, one way I delete that.
File?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so you now have the file, you know.
Trouble. People. Yeah, wow, but my phone and out. No one. You could all carry this screen or JJ. You could all carry this screen. You can't charge it.
So you have been in there that, you know.
Life in this can't charge at any can't keep record at any time. So how me get them off when we done it?
Man, you just put your memory card in my phone and just copy everything from the memory card. In a video, from the memory card to your phone, internal storage.
Sound like me for
Man.
go again.
Good. so none of you know this.
No phone to put them in. God. Look like we nice, you know. I can't believe before the last just get there. Yeah, my people, we're there here, you know. I go on easy. You know what I mean?
But saying this and saying that, brother, I don't know if you know about this, you know. My God.
I know about this.
Hey.
No, sir. I know nothing about it. No, something I know about this. Hey, Lord God.
I want to say I got a phone every brother.
Yo, my people. This happened for you.
Yeah, man, it happened, man.
Why water on the stove and every stove I can't light? Hold on, man. So hold on, JJ.
Yes, man.
JJ.
Huh?
Man, the way I can chat. Who are the donation to that phone, JJ?
JJ Adventures TV, man.
JJ Adventures
Like first,
TV.
this is the first thing I do for somebody, you know.
Well, the camera good, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Blessed love, JJ Adventure TV. You see it?
Man, respect, man.
People, him bring me back in the light in the video.
Yeah, man, right back in the game, man. How you say?
People, we think we drop out of the game with the people. My God.
Just dropping it.
Yo, Mr. People, the phone so pretty without all idiot. Lord God. JJ.
Yeah, man.
My goodness, JJ, you know what we need now?
Huh?
You know what we need now?
The content, man.
Yeah, content. I need something to JJ. You know? I forgot to get a screen
Protector feed.
Yeah, being honest, to protect it. I don't want it dropping on my people, but in case if it, fell. JJ, why am I so like it already? It's so pretty. Yeah, people, look at that. See it. JJ, why am I telling you the truth? You don't know what my people are. It's like you can't turn on JJ.
Turn it on, man.
So JJ, it chip in there?
No, no chip in
So,
it.
oh,
So you just go put in your chip in it.
So, you can't pull JJ? Pull.
Same way like the next one, man.
Yeah, make me lock up at something, man. Yeah, just feel surprised then, just so daring. Brother.
Yes, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So let's see what go on, you know. Gotta. One surprise. Yeah, man. Hey, gotta. I feel like you want a cage or want something for them thing you do.
No, but hold on,
Yeah, man. Me soon ready.
Some of them boxes are fun, of them dry.
Right,
Yeah,
yeah.
just drop out.
Yeah, man, me soon get up and go do that.
So JJ, do this for me, man. Do that something. You know, I remember from back in the days of country when I set up phone, I always beg do something from me I use J36. So like me I tell JJ, then time that you're not doing on channel yet, man.
We're not on the channel yet, entirely.
Sure.
So,
Some people, what you mean? Bring me back in the
yeah,
line.
man, down here, dual SIM too. Two SIM card.
Wow, so where phone there? JJ, put in the two of them same way just as they come out in the cage. So I should have put in back the memory card to them. Right, I got need it. You get what I mean, JJ?
I said, go on, sometimes you have to run up and down.
Happiness. What you think about that? The stove not can quick and go and fry chicken back then, man.
Yeah, man.
The stove, well. I think I did more and this is can fry pound and half a chicken back, JJ. have to show the people where we have to go fry chicken back, you know. If you're not
Yeah,
fry good,
man.
we throw water on it and cook it up. Talk to me, JJ, what you think?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What is it, Mr. Man?
Jaja.
JJ Adventure TV, me I tell you, my people. Yeah, man. Oh, he make me brain just a run. My brain just jiggy, so I say me go all a run. Jano, I say me never no life for my power bank. Cause I don't know. Cause true me not have no something them use off the light off of it. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I wait the dark. And you know someone turn up.
Yeah, man. And sometimes I don't run through there.
Wow. My God. I want back I want a memory card for this JJ, you know?
Mm-hmm.
See me. Now I learn about him.
Aye.
Some mosquito go get up to you now too, you know.
Yeah, I'm soon put you in back that one day night.
That's funny though.
I'm tired then one day.
Mm. Funny. 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 You. You want to lick up this stick for me there, quick, for me there. No. Yeah man, I lick up, yeah man. JJ,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna tell you. Boy, the way you sponsor, rich and powerful, we can't even say congratulations, JJ Adventure TV.
Jaja.
Me and my people and my soon come in our camera come tell him officially again that you all see. And some of the mining can just in all the video and go on one live. Sure. You see
Yes,
me?
man.
See some people see me gift. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? I don't know what this stands for. 24-month warranty.
Mm-hmm.
So 24 months mean 2 years.
2 year warranty.
Oh, yeah, said to me. So that true.
Yeah, man.
So me never get no
So if the
warranty
factory,
for.
the factory fault, if the phone, something wrong with the phone,
We carry it
I know
back.
you in a year thing there.
You carry it back and upgrade.
Yeah, man, you carry it back and you either change it or yeah, this
Alright,
yeah,
JJ. Something that take your
replacement.
time, and I rush you, you know, but line up that no JJ and something.
Yeah, man. See,
Make
yeah, man,
call.
look where I going.
What? Oh, yeah, the Galaxy, I get ready.
Mhm.
My God. JJ! Yo! People, you know how long me not see my phone. My phone in the people, live I tell boy can't tell that. It's go down.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
So, screen they gone. You want to burn up, so wake up back, you know?
Me so my people, when you check a stat, that one they only have 3 high and that one they have 5 high. So me so one so I go get one. Cause definitely me I gonna need a backup phone. Cause if me did have a backup phone, me
Yeah.
could have really even in tune for what day. You don't me brother?
True that.
So as a YouTuber we really can't have one phone. No sir.
That's true.
Yeah man, so my people, I'm grateful for JJ Adventure who give me back the first start again, my people. Right now, you know me home, on my channel.
You're the man.
Yeah, people. Talk to me now, man. Then you know long me not see my channel and then something to my people. You don't even know if they can work again. How them are going to work again, JJ?
Yeah, I hurt, man. Now, yeah,
When
I
me are
say.
going to do people work?
And so put in your email address in your
But me
phone
no-
and
Me don't know no email address.
use your phone number, man.
The phone number
Yeah,
can
man,
be-
the one where you use to start out your email address.
Yeah. Me have that, I think I hit in iPhone there.
Alright.
It is not in the well, me salt. Me think it. I still have the chip, I still have the number anyway if I saw.
Aye.
The email address. Then did them man. Eh? I beg you one little fire man. Mosquito kill me and sandfly. You're there for video and I tell the people what they know. I Spaniard man that my people. Turn the camera
Yeah,
on.
man. One span in a place, I don't know.
Alright, JJ.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Little blazer.
Yeah.
Another road, other stuff. My God, chicken man. No, man. The people, chicken back time. I go in a party now and they are rushing my friend.
Yeah.
You know, come in early after cook, come I never want a light. I know, go back a road. See me brother. See him just sit down my people. God pray I fry up with that chicken back there. Oh, I'll sound like it with that, JJ. You know?
Yeah?
I'll sound like it with that hot.
Yeah, man, you know, if you hot man on fire and die.
I say sunfly them I buy it and put them in can get to kill them and map. Good.
Yes, Steve. I don't know where they are going to set up the Godfrey.
Yeah, my people honestly set up my surprise to me and everything.
Him, Gada.
Yeah?
Which one I number them? Yeah, do it.
I think 579. Try that.
579.
No man, sorry. 591.
That chip in iPhone, yeah?
Yes, 5910617.
Aye.
I'll still answer. Me really did I get that.
You can't say yes, you know.
Funny? I'll cost me for one.
When? You give him 50?
Call up my yard to come make fire for me. It's alright.
Which one of them picture, you know?
None of them I know. I took Saddam. Another one now. No, look at me, no, none of them picture there. So I get one pin with this too.
Yeah, man, it there in my box.
So the next one now. This is some straight in this. No, means that two thing, not keep one in this at all time in my pocket. So later and call somebody. You see me? So man. You hear from JB from what here?
Try calling to them, not get no answer.
Charge on the phone ring.
Yeah.
Oh,
you say number again?
The number? I know my email address in a JJ. You know you're a terrible boy. You did that listen to me talk. Who type it in? Are you a type it in? Godhasborn at Yahoo. Godhasborn at gmail.com. God has born. Type it each on the God has born. G-O-D, capital G-O-D. God has born. Yeah. At, you know. gmail.com.
Caps Osborne or
Yeah, capital O then R and then everything else. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just the capital G and I think the capital O or it's just spelling. I don't remember, but that's the email address.
godosborne@gmail.com.
And then again, now, remember my password is the password I got I GADD. I'm not supposed to talk that from the live for the code over there. So, oh, I got you. Thank you very much here, sir. Boy, I'll be here. You see me? Catch a fire for your virgin run with some mosquito. Right, you see me? Soldier man must feel good and I say, wow, my little old virgin respect me.
True, man.
You see me, because soldier, I said, go build a fire, I just spot it. But you dug in my phone, I don't know why I come out there. I can't see soldier can't phone to this spot it. God, man. Since I watch your show, the one that we can't watch your show for a while.
Surprise weekend.
Yeah? I'm surprised. Every day we know we get here, I said, Lord God.
Surprise in a life, man. So
It take the number.